Hello, viewers. Welcome to Factspedia. In this modern day and age where time is money and work has basically become life, our new routine demands us to be on time and stop waiting. Then let it to be office early in the morning or to live a comfortable life with luxury. Science and capitalization has made our transportation faster and efficient, and oil is the gold of the modern world. Basically, everything that is transported or being made is using any kind of fossil fuel, and the majority of the fuel is consumed by vehicle used by the public. Even though this process has made our lives easier, less time consuming, and reliable, everything that we humans have achieved has a side effect. And yes, the side effect is pollution. Then, be air pollution, water pollution, or any other type of pollution that is occurring because organization and government are providing services to their customers. The effects of pollution are severe. Pollution poisons soil and waterways, kills plants and animals. Studies have also shown that pollution is regularly affecting humans in a negative way. Long term exposure to polluted air can develop chronic respiratory diseases and lung cancer. But thankfully, some countries in the world has acknowledged the effects of pollution and has taken responsibility to take that in control by their part. And in this article, we are going to discuss about 5 pollution-free countries. Number 5, Sweden. To tell you about Sweden, Sweden is a Scandinavian nation located between Finland and Norway, with thousands of coastal islands and inland lakes. The country is home to 10 million people along with boreal forest and glaciated mountains. Sweden was the first country to impose carbon emission tax on carbon intensive fuels like oil and natural gas in 1995. As a result, country's dependence is heavily cut down on the fossil fuel. In 2015, Swedish government introduced support for biogas production, increasing biogas production from manure and gaining air pollution and climate benefits through reduced carbon emission. Also, the Air Pollution Control Ordinance passed in 2018 immense reduction of air pollution for Sweden. Their long-term goal is to decrease their greenhouse gas emission to 0%, making it the most eco-friendly country in Europe. Number 4 on the list is Finland. Finland is a Nordic country in the European Union. Finland shares land border with Sweden, Russia and Norway. Finland is known for being the happiest country in the world and for its education system, which is considered the best in the world. It is also known for its cleanest air. It is in the top list of pollution-free countries because of its air pollution control policies. In 2019, Finland proposed an air pollution control policy to safeguard its citizens' well-being. Finland's low population density and its unspoiled natural environment also helps to preserve nature. Fruits of the successfully implemented policies are reduction of carbon emission, air quality improved and lake rivers has been cleaned up, making Finland one of the cleanest countries in the world. Number 3 on the list is Canada. In Canada, government has put out regulation for reduction of coal-fired electricity and also adopted the most powerful national standard to avoid air pollution from new cars and light trucks. Also putting a carbon emission tax on carbon-intensive fossil fuels encourage industries to invest in cleaner technologies. With help of its initiatives, Canada has also been able to cut down its carbon emission rate impressively. Number 2 on the list is Norway, another Scandinavian country with encompassing mountains, glaciers, and deep coastal fjords. Welcome to Norway. Norway's capital city is considered as the world leader with its sustainable public transport system, which is powered entirely on renewable energy and aims to be emission free by 2028 by reducing both short-lived and long-lived climate pollutants like methane, black carbon and CO2. Norway has increased its chance to success of becoming the second pollution-free country in the world. Top on the list is New Zealand. New Zealand is an island country located in the Southwest Pacific Ocean. New Zealand is the home of 492,000 people, Apart from being so low in population density, New Zealand is considered the greenest country in the world, and you can give some credit to the officials of the country's extensive green spaces. Free public transport and reduction on the burning of domestic waste has led the country to the greenest countries in the world. If these countries can afford to be pollution free, then why not our country? And then why not each and every country on this planet Earth? Though we are going through harsh time of COVID, pollution is still increasing, mainly the source being the waste from our household. So let's pledge to make our area and country pollution free. That's a wrap on this video. We'll be coming with more interesting facts like this. Thank you so much for watching.